Hi everybody, welcome to Nayak Academy. We are solving exercise problems on chapter areas related to circles. We have completed first exercise problems. In today's session, let us discuss second exercise first two problems. Coming to the first question, find the area of sector of a circle with the radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. What is given? The angle of the sector is 60 degree. What do you mean by sector? A region bounded by two radii and an arc is called sector of a circle. So OAB is called sector of a circle. Now here the angle of the sector is given, it is 60 degree, and circle with the radius, it is 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of the sector. So we have to find the area of the sector. First let us write what is given. Radius of the circle r equal to 6 centimeter and angle of the sector, it is 60 degree. Angle of the sector, so it is theta equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find the area of the sector. So area of the sector is how much? So we know that the area of the sector, so we can find the area of the sector using the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Now let us substitute the values. A equal to theta 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 by 7. R radius, it is R6 into 6. Now let us simplify children. 0 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, and this 6 and this 6 get cancelled. Now 22 into 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 7 centimeter square. Therefore, let me write the conclusion children. The area of the sector equal to 132 divided by 7 centimeter square. Coming to the second problem, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So what is given? The circumference of the circle is given, it is 22 centimeter. Boundary of a circle is 22 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of a quadrant of a circle. What do you mean by area of a quadrant of a circle? So quadrant means it is 1/4 part of a circle. So this is the center of a circle and this part is called quadrant of a circle. Let me name that as AOB. Now we don't know radius of the circle. Let us find out the radius of the circle. C is equal to 2 pi r equal to 22 centimeter. R equal to 22 divided by 2 pi. R value is 22 divided by 2 into pi value, substitute as 22 by 7. R value is 22 divided by 2 into 22, it is 44 by 7. So R value is, let us take the reciprocal, 22 into 7 divided by 44. 22 1s are 22, 22 2s are 44. That implies R value is 7 by 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of a quadrant of a circle. What is the formula to find the area of a sector children? It is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So A equal to theta value is 90 degree by 360 degree into pi value, substitute as 22 by 7. R value we already calculated, it is 7 by 2. Radius of the circle is 7 by 2 centimeter. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 20. 2. Now this 7 get cancelled. Now what is remain, children? Area equal to 11 sevens are 77, 4 twos are 8 centimeter square. Therefore, area of quadrant equal to 77 by 8 centimeter square. With this problem, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us solve remaining exercise problems. Till then, keep practicing these problems. Thank you.